Hello everyone, welcome to the online lecture series 2021-22 organized by Gokhale Education Society's BYK College of Commerce, Nashik, subject English. 12th Yuvak Bharati English 4.1 History of Novel presented by Mrs. Sharda Nagargoje, Department of English, BYK College of Commerce, Junior College Unit. There are four sections. Section 4 is about literary genre. 4.1 History of Novel. 4.2 To Serve with Love by E.R. Braithwaite. 4.3 Around the World in 80 Days by Jules Gabriel Verne. 4.4 The Sign of Four by Sir Arthur Ignatius Conan Doyle. Students, for your better understanding, I split this chapter into two parts. So in this video, we shall study part 1 of 4.1 History of Novel. Let us see the introduction of 4.1 History of Novel. The 18th century has gifted English literature to entirely new forms which are without any traces in the Asian classical heritage. One of those was the periodical essay and the other was novel. Both of these forms were famous in those days, especially novel caught the spirit of the 18th century as the age of intellectual, sentimental, and realistic play. Intellectual novels provided food for readers to their intellect, having the power of understanding, having capacity for the higher forms of knowledge or thought. Sentimental means emotional. Sentimental novels arouse feeling of tenderness, sadness, or nostalgia among readers. Realistic novels. Realistic means practical. Realistic novels representing things in a way that is accurate and true to life. The realistic picture of everyday life and problems of common people depicted in the novels. In those days, people were more and more realistic. Novels changed the thinking ability of common people. Readers were having interest in entertainment novels plus in realistic novels. All these novels tried to instruct the readers, which would help them to a more purposeful, successful, and virtuous life. Since the time of its origin, novel has been gaining popularity and growing gradually. Today, novel is recognized as the most dominant literary genre. And in this way, novels gained more popularity in those days. What is novel? Novel is long narrative fiction which describes intimate human experiences in the prose form. The novel in the modern era usually makes use of literary prose style. The development of the prose novel at this time was encouraged by innovations in printing and the introduction of cheap paper. The present English word novel is derived from the Italian novella, meaning new. A novel narrates a story embellishing it with more details of time, place, nature, people, and their minds and their gestures and activities. It creates the picture of the society of that time. Novel makes life easier to understand than in drama and poetry. Students, you might observe in the movies how the setting of the movie represents ancient picture, including everything the houses, clothing style, etc. Novel creates depicts the picture of the society of that time. As we know, poetry and drama, these two are complex literatures and difficult to understand compared to the novels. Novels can, on the other hand, depict the social, political, and personal realities of a place and period with clarity and details are not found in works of history. Novels makes life easier to understand than drama and poetry. Novels are very easy to understand. Let us see the history of novel. The novel as a literary genre has a history of about 2000 years. Among the early precursors of novel, a collection of tales known as Greek romances dating from the 2nd to 6th century may top the list. These imaginative and delightful stories of ideal love and marvelous adventures profoundly affected the creative writing for the next 1000 years. Novel in the modern era usually makes use of literary prose. The earlier threads of the genre can be found in Virgil's Eclogues or Malory's Morte the Author or Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. World's first novel. Murasaki Shikibu's Tale of Genji in 1010 has been described as the world's first novel. The Tale of Genji is a classic work of Japanese literature written in the early 11th century by the noblewoman and lady in waiting Murasaki Shikibu. It is a story on the life and love of the handsome son Hikaru Genji of the Emperor Genji. Now let us see about first European novel. The European novel is often said to begin with Don Quixote by Spanish writer Miguel de Cervantes, which was published in two parts between 1605 and 1615. Revolution of novel in the 18th century. In the 18th century, the appearance of newspaper and magazines attracted large number of readers from the middle class. These new readers had little interest in romances and tragedies, which were appreciated by the upper class. Thus, need for a new type of literature arose that would express the new ideas of the 18th century. The 18th century new literature was characterized by the spirit of realism and denial of romantic features like enthusiasm, passion, and imagination. After 1740, novel originated as the literary form in England. Increase in trade and commerce, along with the Industrial Revolution, had given rise to the middle class. A class of people had emerged to occupy an elite status. The realistic picture of everyday life and problems of common people depicted in the novels appealed to the newly educated class and was regarded by them as respectable reading material. Thus, novel as a form appears to have been designed for both to voice the aspirations of the middle and lower classes and meet their longings. The spread of machines could provide a time to the educated middle class for reading and discussions about the books. Drama and poetry were the two literary forms that were fading away. Novel was a combination of some features of them, and some new features were added to the form. It was the prominent form in the 18th century, and onwards to encompass the social, political, and cultural happenings and scientific progress. Major novelist of 18th century. The Pilgrim's Progress by John Bunyan in 1678 and Urunoku by Afra Wen in 1688 initiated the plenteous and colorful tradition of English novel. And it was followed by Daniel Defoe, Robinson Crusoe, Moll Flanders, and Jonathan Swift. Gulliver's Travels is a famous satire. Other major novelists of 18th century are Samuel Richardson, Pamela or Virtue Rewarded, and Clarissa, both epistolary novels, Henry Fielding's Lawrence Sterne, and Tobias Smollett. The tradition was enriched by many other novelists, stalwart novelists such as Charles Dickens, Walter Scott, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Horace Walpole, Thomas Hardy, Wilkie Collins, and H.G. Wells. Let us see the novelists of 20th century. The 20th century is marked by modern topics and innovative styles and techniques, and widened the angles of the views by the novelists like E.M. Forster, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, Henry James, George Orwell, Graham Greene, D.H. Lawrence, William Golding, and Anthony Burgess. They widened the circumference of the genre by writing political, social, psychological, and other modern issues in their novels. Immigrant authors also played a very important role. Immigrant means a person who comes to live permanently in a foreign country. There are immigrant authors like Salman Rushdie, India, V.S. Naipaul, Trinath, Kazuo Ishiguro, Japan, and many others. Let us see about the contribution of women novelists. The contribution of women novelists to this great pageant cannot be neglected. The novel of manners, Evelina by Frances Burney, Gothic novels by Anne Radcliffe, a novel based on science of the age, Frankenstein by Mary Shelley are landmark novels. Jane Austen has been ruling over the minds of the people through her novels. Bronte sisters, Emily and Charlotte, have created their own place by their incomparable works. The Wuthering Heights and Jane Eyre, Mary Ann Evan Alice, George Eliot wrote the novels reflecting psychological insight. Virginia Woolf is the pioneer of the stream of consciousness technique in English novel. Students, we have lesson The New Dress by Virginia Woolf in our textbook. Agatha Christie created her own place by writing many novels based on crime. Hercule Poirot and Miss Marple are the evergreen detectives created by her. Harper Lee, Margaret Atwood, Toni Morrison, and Alice Walker have elevated the tradition further to prosperity. Now let us see contribution of Indian novelist. Indian scenario. Raj Mohan's Wife by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay serialized in the Indian field. was the first novel in English written by an Indian. This was considered as first English novel written by an Indian. The period after that is marked by few more novels written by the Indian writers. These novels bore either nationalistic virtues or social issues as their main framework. Let us see about the major trio. Important novelists Mulkraj Anand, R.K. Narayan, and Rajaram were the major trio who prevailed in the period after that. Students, we have lesson An Astrologer's Day is taken from R.K. Narayan's famous novel Malgudi Days, and it represents the social political background of those days. Let us see other Indian novelists. Novelists like Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, Arun Joshi, Manohar Malgavkar, Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Seth, Upamanyu Chatterjee ameliorated the Indian novel in English by adding new features to it. Recent years have witnessed the dazzling performance by Indian novelists like Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adiga, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai, Kiran Nagarkar. The tradition of Indian English novel has undergone a vital change since its birth, and it has undoubtedly very bright future. All these novelists gave dazzling performance in Indian English novel. Students, here we have completed part 1 of 4.1 History of Novel, and part 2 we are going to see in another video. So watch it. Thank you and best luck for studies.